knee surgery. Way back in 80s, they didn't have this instrument. They didn't have technology. The doctor was just have to open the knee and see what's wrong. Today they don't have to do that. And I remember I was an intelligent boy, just my knee was hurting, and they said, okay, let's see, they removed the cartilage. 30 years back I came to know they didn't supposed to remove the cartilage, they just have to shape up a little bit more with the technology help, and I could have been alright. Had this technology there, I would have played another 5 to 7 years cricket. I'm disappointed why you come so late. I could have definitely played more cricket or done better things. I had 4 knee surgery. Luck would happen. Always I done a knee surgery when there is no cricket. So I was lucky, I can carry on playing cricket, but technology always helped, I believe that. And that we see on the cricket field today also. They come to know what the bowler is doing, how they have to bowl, where they pitch, what is the weak point, what is the good point. But I think technology is good. But behind the technology, the person is more important. I never ever believe technology can improve you until unless the doctor behind that or the people who are working behind that can be really put things at the right place. And I can say that definitely I need another knee surgery or maybe knee replacement where I can run again or I can play golf again. I still play but not so much because knees start hurting. But I must say that to you people, all of you, well done. You started, the beginning is happening here in Chennai, which I always call Madras. It's wonderful. I hope you can look after the people who need it. But so many people need knee replacement, a little worry about that. I think we have to be good. We have to look after ourselves. The last thing I expect people go to the hospital. The last thing. I think one shouldn't go to the hospital if you look after your life properly. But if problem comes, the doctors are there. And that's very good. And I want to wish you and to your entire organization all the best, good luck, but have a complaint, you should have been here 30 years back.
Everything about the hospital. It's not, I mean, every doctor knows the craft, every doctor knows how to replace a knee. But it's the special care, the care post-surgery, which matters the most. Small example of very small things which make a difference. One being the beds. As a child, whoever in family has been to the hospital, I have seen that, when the surgery is over, or during surgery, they put them on this cloth, and then they are transferred to the operation theatre, and then when the surgery is finished, they are put back on the cloth. But something about SIMS, I found it so updated. The beds, when the patient has to be shifted from the surgery to the surgical room, the bed would, they didn't have to pick them up and put them, they would just, the bed opened up and they would just slid onto that, and especially post-surgery slid back. So everything, the minutest comfort was given to my mom. And if genuinely I didn't feel this, I wouldn't be here. When they asked me to come for this function, I said, sir, wherever I am, I told Dr. Ashok, I want to be here for this. And I just got back last night from my New Year vacation with children and family, but I really wanted to be here for this because my mom is a free-willed person, and she's been, after her knee surgery, she has been roaming the world. And 2 things she doesn't want to give up is roaming and seeing the world and her sweets. She's highly diabetic, but these 2 things she doesn't want to give up, and she's having a blast. Another very important reason why I said that I connect as it's a heart connection is my husband runs a foundation for educating children, the Agaram Foundation. I think everyone knows about it. And SRM University has given a free medical seat for Agram Foundation, and one of Agram's first medical student passed out because courtesy to SRM, and he belonged to a refugee family, Sri Lankan refugee family, Nagaraj, and he has got passed his medical seat because of the free seat given. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And I'm really honored to be here today. And thank you so much for having me here. Thank you to the whole SIMS group. Thank you, Dr. Ashok mainly, and Dr. Suryanarayanan, who's not here today. And Kapil sir, half the reason why I'm here is also because of you. Huge, huge fan. Thank you so much. Thank you, Manakam.
Subscribe to Walgan Television.
Please subscribe Walgan Television.